structure of CuNH3 whole 4 2 plus by GBT. This is the question. Okay, GBT একটা স্ট্রাকচার ডিফাইন করতে বললো। এবার আমরা দেখছি যে what we see that CuNH3 whole 4 2 plus have coordination number equals to 4. So coordination number 4 means either it is tetrahedral or it is square planar. If it is square planar, then there are two possibilities: sp2d or dsp2. And if it is tetrahedral, then sp3, no problem. So what is the exact structure of CuNH3 whole 4 2 plus? Okay, and magnetic moment measurement show that it is paramagnetic. So magnetic moment measurement mu equals so that it is 1.7 bm, that is paramagnetic. Paramagnetic with n equal to 1. That means copper must have one unpaired electron as well as it has coordination number 4. So what would be the exact structure of copper tetramine complex? So now if we go for the structure according to VBT, we know that copper in free state atom, it is, we know that 3d10 4s1. So here copper is in class 2 state. So copper 2 means 3d9 4s0 4p also 0. That means four s 4p. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so here n equal to 1, no problem, it's okay. So now what would be the structure? So structure should be sp3. Now I come to next. So when copper from CuNH3 whole for 2 plus, then we will see that. So 2 4 6 8 9. Then here one ammonia, here one ammonia, here one ammonia, here one ammonia. So now the hybridization is sp3 hybridization, right? That is the tetrahedral. That means tetrahedral with n equal to 1. Tetrahedral with n equal to 1. So now it is clear that it is a tetrahedral geometry with n equal to 1. So it is okay, no problem. But if the structure is square planar, then what happens? So copper is 2 plus. 2 plus means d9, 4s and 4p, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is the empty orbital. So if copper is in copper NH3 square planar, if we assume that this is a square planar complex, okay, 2 plus, then what happened? Then one d electron where moved? It moved to p orbital, that is 4p. 4p. So it is 3d 4s. So now here one amine, here another amine, here another amine, here another electron comes here. So here also n equal to 1 and hybridization is all are by amine. So 4 amine, so d sp2. So this is square planar. This is very good explanation that it is square planar. Okay. So magnetic moment, then what conclusion drawn from these two structure? The conclusion is that magnetic moment cannot predict the exact geometry of the molecule for that complex only. So the above discussion show that magnetic property of CuNH3 whole for 2 plus ion cannot be helpful to deciding what is the exact geometry of the complex. So magnetic moment can't predict the exact geometry of the complex CuNH3 whole for 2 plus. তাহলে এই কমপ্লেক্সটাকে ম্যাগনেটিক ওয়ান ক্যান নট প্রেডিক্ট দ্য এক্সাক্ট জিওমেট্রি। So now what is the exact geometry? And physical measurement what show? Now physical measurement show that CuNH3 whole 4 2 plus is not a tetrahedral molecule, is not a tetrahedral geometry. তার মানে ফিজিক্যাল মেজারমেন্টটা বলে দিচ্ছে যে ইট ইজ নট এ টেট্রাহেড্রাল জিওমেট্রি। So what is the exact geometry? But if it is, suppose we consider that it is a square plane, then what happen? So suppose if it is square plane, then what happen? Suppose we consider that it is a square plane, then what happen? We know that copper has electron in outer 4p orbital, so CuNH3 whole 4 2 plus. So if we oxidize, that is oxidation takes place, that means it lose one electron, then it go to CuNH3 whole 4 3 plus. But it is never possible. It is never happen. So if we consider that it is a square planar, so what I can say that this electron very loosely bound in the outermost shell 4p electron, so it can lose, but this never happen. This complex do not exist. Understand? So experiments shown that oxidation of CuNH3 whole 4 2 plus 2, it is should be very easy process, but it is never happen. It is never happen. Never copper go to copper 3 plus. So how can we determine the structure? Then there is one scientist name is Huggins. So Huggins postulates, or Huggins suggestion, you can say. Suggestion. So what Huggins suggests? Huggins suggested that copper tetraamine complex is a square planar. Is a square planar complex. And the hybridization of copper is, and the hybridization of copper 2 plus ion is sp2d, not dsp. That is 4s 4p2 and 4p. Okay. So now what Huggins suggested that copper 2 plus ion, that is a D9. So if it is D9, then we can say 1 2 3 4. So this is D9 system, 4s 4p and 4p. So 4s 4p 4p. Now when copper go for the formation of complex via sp2d hybridization CuNH3 whole 2 plus, what actually happen? According to Huggins, he mentioned that 2 4 6 8 9, there is one unpaired electron n equal to 1, there also n equal to 1, it is remain same. And then he told that there one ammonia incorporate, and then in the p orbital here one ammonia, here another ammonia, and it make vacant this orbital, go another ammonia overlap with the 4d orbital ammonia. So now That means Z orbital remain all vacant. So now hybridization is 1s 2p until that is sp2t. N equal to 1. So it is a square planar. So according to Huggins, it is square planar sp2d hybridization by keeping one d orbital empty. So this is the Huggins postulates, and people accept these postulates that it is possible.